Hello there! Are you a hardcore gamer and visualize to design the game your own way, or just an enthusiast to design games and make your career in it? It all sounds fun. Well, let me tell you, experts estimate that by 2028, the Indian gaming market could reach $8 to $10 billion annually. With over 400 million gamers in 2022, an increase of 40 million from the previous year. India is now the world's second largest gaming market, and from a career perspective, the gaming industry has a lot to offer aspirants at various levels and capacities. From writers to game designers, animators to programmers, engineers to testers, UI and UX designers, and even analysts and marketing and sales professionals. There's something for everyone in gaming. For a game to come alive and capture the imagination of millions, an array of skills is required to work in synchronity with each other. And the existing educational infrastructure in India does not meet the industry requirements, and young professionals need additional training to acquire the skills and confidence to successfully deliver on the industry needs. Well, worry not. SkyySkill Academy is introducing a game-changing course, Master Certification Program on Game Development, where you will learn game design fundamentals, programming and coding, 3D modeling and animations, sound design, game testing and quality assurance, AR, VR and building a metaverse too. But wait, that's not all. You will also work on real-world projects, collaborate with industry experts and build a portfolio that will make you stand out in the competitive gaming world. So, are you ready to be the game changer? Don't miss this opportunity and level up your career with us. Visit our website or call us. The future of gaming starts here.